Hello everybody, welcome back to my slow English speaking video. In this video, I will ask you some questions and I will reply all of these questions. So you can pause the video and you can repeat after me. It will be very helpful for you. So my full name is Shushanta Paul. What's your full name? So you can just pause the video and you can say your full name, like my full name is. Okay, so I live in Netrokuna. Where do you live? Okay, and I am a student. What do you do? What is your profession? Or are you a student? Okay, now my favorite color is black. What is your favorite color? Okay, and I like playing football. What is your favorite sport? Okay, my favorite sports are football and cricket, both. And do you like cricket? Okay, I like cycling, running, and swimming. What do you like? In my free time, I watch English videos. I watch English movies. What do you like to do in your free time? Okay, and that's it for today. I think that you practiced with me. You practiced after me, and uh, that's it for today. I think this video will be very helpful for you. And have a nice day. Keep watching videos, keep learning. Thank you for watching me.